G'day, I'm Joshua Smith, Central Region Business Development Manager with Komatsu Australia's Smart Construction team. My role is to help our customers unlock the full potential of Komatsu's technology, including our smart construction products and software. Today, I'll be showing you how our Edge 2 and dashboard solution can process drone flights daily, delivering fast, actionable insights that keep your projects moving efficiently on site.
Drone surveys are typically done for end-of-month surveys by drone pilots or surveyors. Discover how Komatsu helps you cut costs and speed up your workflow. Run your own drone flight and complete the calculations in less than an hour. Improve your visibility, accuracy, and decision-making, among other challenges you come across on civil projects. Don't make decisions on outdated information or relying on third parties. Today, we are going to talk about some typical scenarios that you may encounter on site and how easy it is to use the Edge 2 with each of these scenarios. So, what is the Edge 2 and its functions? The Edge 2 captures all the base data required for drone flight calculations, but its real advantage is that it processes the entire flight on board. No sending data to the cloud or a third-party service. As a result, you can have usable data in about 30 minutes for a 1 hectare flight, compared to the 12 to 24 hours typical of other solutions. Another powerful advantage of the Edge 2 is its ability to function as a GPS base station. If you already have GPS-equipped machinery on site, you can support them directly, eliminating the need for a separate base station or a paid GPS subscription service. So, how easy is it to use and what would be your typical workflow? First, we set up the Edge, which is straightforward thanks to its self-positioning feature. If it's our first time on a site, we'll create a flight route on the drone controller, a process that usually takes under 5 minutes. Once the route is saved, it can be reused for all future flights. A 1 hectare flight itself also only takes about 5 minutes. As you can see on the screen, the real advantage of the Edge over competing systems is that it removes the need to send data to a third-party processing service. Alright, let's get this drone in the air. Now, our flight is done. This next step is what sets the Edge 2 apart from our other solutions on the market. The flight data is then processed locally on board the Edge. No need to send to a third party or cloud-based software, which can sometimes take upwards of 24 hours. What advantages does this give you? Let's have a quick look at our Smart Construction dashboard. The software where we can do all our volumes, material, calculations with a simple and easy user interface that anyone can use. Dashboard is a central cloud-based project platform that visualizes surfaces, volumes, and overall progress. It tracks changes over time and makes it easy to share data with any stakeholders. Thanks to its intuitive interface and clear visualizations, even non-technical users can work confidently with what is traditionally a highly technical workflow. Another major advantage is that your dashboard subscription includes unlimited users and unlimited sites. Here, we can see our drone flight, any supply design files, machine as-built data, and ortho photos. You can also upload your own pre-processed drone data. Along the bottom of the screen, the system displays site progress, showing how much material has been moved each day or after each drone flight, as well as how much remains to complete the job. In this tab, we have all our measurements. In this example, I've measured several stockpiles and generated a report, each with its own material type, density, and cost. It's ideal for attaching to an invoice or a payment claim. Next, let's look at some typical scenarios you might encounter in your day-to-day site operations. Usually, you would need to rely on a surveyor, visual estimates, or inaccurate data from load sheets to be able to accurately quantify a stockpile. Edge 2 and Dashboard make it easy with regular drone flights, tracking quantities over time. This ties into real benefits like consistent ordering, better planning, reduced downtime, accurate and consistent reporting. Let's look at another common scenario. With data available so quickly, you unlock the ability to fly far more often, receive information more frequently, and dramatically increase efficiency and productivity. The technology automates data collection, aggregation, and processing, turning what used to take hours or days into near real-time insight. You can monitor earthworks progress that's only an hour old, comparing surfaces captured on different dates. You can also compare your design surface to the original ground and then to the actual built surface. This gives teams the ability to track, cut and fill, measure productivity, and spot delays early, long before they affect the overall program. It also allows you to validate progress proactively, reducing the risk of commercial disputes. Now, let's move on to our third scenario. In this scenario, before construction begins, the Edge 2 can be used to generate highly accurate existing ground models. This gives you a precise snapshot of the pre-construction site and helps uncover any surprises early. These models feed directly into reliable earthworks volume estimates, reducing risk and uncertainty during tendering and quoting. As construction progresses, the benefits continue. More accurate cut and fill balances, better planning, and tenders that are right the first time with far less reliance on contingency. Smart Construction Dashboard also serves as a digital site record. Every drone flight generates time-stamped documentation that supports progress claims, variations, and dispute resolution. It strengthens transparency with clients and subcontractors by providing clear visual evidence. This gives both you and your client greater commercial confidence while reducing the potential for any misunderstandings. Now, let's move on to our final real-world scenario where the Edge 2 and Dashboard can make a meaningful impact. In this example, how much material do I need for tomorrow? With a 30-minute drone flight, including processing, you get an accurate, up-to-date picture of your site. No more guessing. Order with confidence, save time, and reduce your costs. This helps you avoid common issues like over-ordering or under-ordering, both of which can lead to delays. Less waste means less rehandling, and better accuracy leads to smoother coordination and stronger relationships with suppliers. Now, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today and highlight the key benefits. The key points of Edge 2 and Dashboard are: everyday drone technology delivers the most efficient site survey method, providing same-day data that saves time and money. It delivers detailed site insights for better planning, design optimization, and early identification of challenges. It improves communication and collaboration among stakeholders, reducing any misunderstandings. Provides accurate aerial measurements to support reliable cost estimation and budgeting. It speeds up site assessments, helping prevent delays and costly reworks. Enhances safety by identifying hazards early and enabling continuous monitoring, keeping workers out of harm's way. It supports environmental assessment, protecting sensitive areas and promoting sustainable decision making. Overall, the Edge 2 and Dashboard increase efficiency, reduce risk, they cut costs and support compliance across construction projects. So, in conclusion, drone surveys don't need to be limited to end-of-month activities. With the Edge 2 and Dashboard solution, you're not waiting a day or more for processing. You can have results in under 30 minutes and make informed decisions on site as often as you need using your own resources. There's no need to pay high fees when you complete accurate surveys yourself with minimal investment and without extensive survey experience. Think about it. How much are you currently spending on drone or volume surveys? Do you have reliable documentation before work begins? Are your project quotes based on accurate, up-to-date data? All of this becomes possible with a simple drone and Edge 2 dashboard setup from Komatsu. Contact your local Komatsu representative for an obligation-free demonstration. I'm Josh Smith, and I look forward to seeing you out on site.